one-to-one function. So if we say that a given function is a one-to-one function, we can represent it through mapping. For example, we have x and y. For the set or for the elements of the range, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the elements of y, for example, we have elements a, b, c, and d. Pag sinabi nating one-to-one function, yung mga elements natin sa range, meron lang isang katumbas na element dito sa y na hindi na rin maaaring maulit. For example, si 1 maps A, 2 maps B, 3 maps D, 4 maps C. So ibig sabihin, hindi na ulit yung value sa x, so it means that is still a function. At the same time, pati si y, hindi na ulit yung elements niya or hindi siya napili ng dalawang beses. So it means this mapping represents a one-to-one function. Ano yung example niya na hindi one-to-one? Halimbawa, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. A, B, C, and D. 1 maps A, 2 maps A, 3 maps B, 4 maps D. So that is not a one-to-one function. Kasi dalawang beses napili or dalawang beses na nag-exist si A dito sa dalawang elements ng X. Sa graph naman, we can identify if the given graph is a one-to-one function using a horizontal line test. If we are using vertical line test to identify if the given graph is a function or not, for one-to-one function, we use horizontal line test. For example, a quadratic equation is a function. So that is under polynomial function. So this is the coordinate plane. And for example, we have a given parabola. So if we apply the vertical line test, that represents a function because the vertical line intersects only once the graph of a parabola. But if we apply the horizontal line test, for example, this is the horizontal line, so it intersects the parabola twice. So here and here. So it means that is not a one-to-one function. Another example, if this is the given graph, so it is still represent a function because if you apply a vertical line test, it only intersect the graph one time. But if you apply also the horizontal line test, it will intersect the graph only once. So, hindi. Medyo maling graph natin. So, pag ganyan siya. So, it intersects the graph only once. So, kapag ganun pag ginamit yung horizontal line test at na-intersect niya yung graph ng isang beses lang, it means that is a one-to-one function. So, that is how to identify if the given graph is a one-to-one function or not through horizontal line test.